Naagawan dito. And a pass break dito. Batong bakals. Step, tuloy-tuloy. Pasok yan. Sa Region 1, tuloy-tuloy. Nakalusot. Lace, bucket for 2. And here comes Region 1.
Number 19, zumigzag.
Umatake, Lace. Basket and 1. Sakto sa gitna. Clash or dalawa yung naiwan doon. So mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 1 Ilocos versus Region 2. Here's the jump ball. And first ball possession, Region 1, number 18, straight to the basket, lays. First block. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Ginu corner pass. Drives, pull-up jumper. Bucket for 2. Tie game. And here's number 17. Gayo pass inside. Number 21 to number 8. And Calyares, natapikan. Corner pass, libre, easy bucket. Gama. Pass to the middle, natapikan, pass break. And all around easy. Basket na una. All alone si Idol. And he's number 5, Gama. Fake pass, kicks out. Launches at 3. Bam! And he's Region 1. Waiting for his teammates. Pass to number 12. For the Region 1 pass inside. To the middle. Dumistansya, picks. Creative space fire. Bucket for 2. Number 13. Sa gitna. Aatake. Corner pass fakes. Pass on the corner again. 71. Goteng. Number 17. Corner pass. Through the middle na libre. Na short. Naagaw number 8. Recovered. Oops. Sakto sa gitna. Picks. Clash or dalawa yung naiwan doon. Kasha setting the play. Kasha drives, kicks out, fix, attacks. Side step. Naagawan dito. And a pass break dito. Bottom bakal, side step. Tuloy-tuloy. Pasok yan. And here comes Region 1. Number 19. Umatake, lays. Basket and 1. And here's Kasha nakalusot, easy basket, Kasha. And here's number 18, umatake mula sa gitna, binitbit, may foul. Uy. Time for the ball. Ito na, nilanggap sila sa loob. Oops. Nakalusot. And Region 1 here. Ball possession, umatake, side step fires. Oops. Wala. And here's Region 1, batong bakal. Pass to the middle. Number 17, pull-up jumper. Oh! Kasha setting the play. Kasha sumisigsag. Umatake. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakakuha ngayon ng Region 2. Tuloy-tuloy. Floater. Bucket for 2. Kasha for setting the play. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Muntik ng magawan. Umatake. Sidestep corner pass sa 3. Kasha. Short. Rebound dito. Batong bakal. 2-on-1. Binit-bit. Lace. Batong bakal on the lace. And Kasha here. 8 seconds left on the game clock. Tuloy-tuloy si Kasha. Number 8 here. Floater. Bucket for 2. And that's the buzzer. That's the end of the... And you recovered Region 1. And passes to number 11. Floater. No good. And rebound Region 2. Pass break ngayon. Nauna picks. Clutch. Basket and foul. Oops. Bola mapupunta sa Region 1. Tuloy-tuloy. Nakalusot. Lace. Bucket for 2. And here's number 27. Natapikan mula sa likod. Crossover. Stops, pass to the middle. Milan, tuloy-tuloy. Binit-bit, easy bucket, Milan. And number 11 here crosses the mid lane for Region 1. Crossover. Oops, offensive foul. And here's number 10 crosses the mid lane. Nagmamadali, binit-bit, Minekos Conte. Pasok yan. Number, nagaw. At number 10, pinasa pa extra pass Milan on the easy basket. And here's number 11, Region 1. Pass to the number 92. He spins. Fires. Short. Rebound. Putback shot. Wala pa rin. And a putback again. And basket and one. Yun palang gusto. And zumizigzag si Idol. Umatake mula sa gilid. Side step reverse layup. Bucket is good. And here's number 17 for Region 1. Nakalusot. Side step reverse layup. No good. And the rebound for Region 2. Pass break ngayon. And number 11, clutch fire. Hook shot. Pasok yan. Here's Region 1. He stops. Step back for 3. No good. Rebound. Pasa sa loob. Value pass and the connection. And the long pass here. Sakto yung pasa. Sakto yung tira. And the finish. Number 24. Takes fire of the glass. Bucket for 2. Tuloy-tuloy. Side step floater shot. Bucket is good. Recover. Bounce pass inside. Ottoman. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Putback shot. Strong move by number 8. Inbound here. Looking for the receiver number 18. Basena. Pull up jumper at the mid-range. Bucket for 2. 35-27 score. Region 2. Up by 8. And Kasha here. Pass back. Kasha. Crossover. Pass back number 92. Pass to the corner. Drives. Reverse layup and a bucket is good. Bottom bakal. Pass to number 18. Ugaddan. Ugaddan setting the play. Ugaddan. Pass on the inside. Fakes. One bounce. And naagaw. Pinabitin. Wala. And na-rebound Nini. Na-rebound ng Region 2. Number 18. Ugaddan. Dumistansya. And still dribbling the ball. He stop pass on the inside. Number 82. Oh, the connection. Basena number 18 for Region 1. And dribbling the ball. Ginugulo ni number 82. Corner pass. Sa gitna na tapikan. Batong bakal. Binitbit. Easy bucket. Batong bakal. Ginugulo ni Gama. Kasha versus Gama. Kasha sumisigsag. And kicks to number 29. Stop, create space, pull up jumper. Bucket is good. Pins. And na-recover. Kasha, basket and one. Kasha. Rebound Milan. Milan, bounce pass sa likod. Gama, side step. Papasok yan kay Gama. And here's Kasha. Sumizigzag. Tuloy-tuloy. Lace. Kasha, bucket is good. And here you go. Region 1, number 9. Barsena. Barsena holds the ball. Crossover move. Drive. Side step. Fires. Oh! That move! And here's Batong Bakal. Batong Bakal sumigsag. Spin move. Pinabitin. And here's number 92. Renon. Pass to Barsena. Di distansya. Atake mula sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Off target. Rebound Batong Bakal. Batong Bakal. Asking for stick. Behind the back dribble. Crossover move. Batong Bakal. Umatake. Bumangga. Side step fires of the window. Money. Number 11. Region 1. Nagmamadali. Pasa sa loob. And inilabas yung bola. Stops. Pass to number 92. Pass inside. Ang gandang connection. Noon. Barsena for 2. And this Region 2. Batong Bakal tuloy-tuloy nakalusot. Pinabitin pa! Batong. And 5 seconds on the game clock. Stops. Number 11. Nakuha pa. And Batong Bakal. Bang! Anong tawag? Anong tawag? Good! And Kasha. Nakawan. Gama pinasa kay Descarcar. Binitbit lays up. Bucket for 2 Session for Region 1. And spins. Drives. Stops. Pass to number 13. Number 92. Renon. Renon. Creating some space. Stops. Pass to the middle na agawan. Gama. Pass to number 18. Sumalida. Pinabitin. Pass. Hook shot. Pasok yan. Pass break here. Kabunok, binitbit, kabunok! Ugaddan setting the play. Ugaddan, pass on the inside. Pull-up jumper. No good. Kabunok for the rebound. And here you go. Barcena. Stop. Launches 3. Bam! Bulls. And here you go. Kasha. Tuloy-tuloy. Binitbit pass kay Kabunok. No basket. Kasha backdoor inbound. Pass to Kabunok. Kabunok. Knockout play. Nakuha ngayon ni Batong Bakal. Please, easy bucket Milan. And here's Kasha. Kasha, tuloy-tuloy. Supal pa lang inabot. For the inbound, backdoor inbound here. Pass to number 18. Barcena. Barcena, stop, pull up kaya 3. Bang! Barcena! Ugaddan, ibababa ang bola. Para sa Region 2, umatake tuloy-tuloy. Lazy si Bakit. Ugaddan. Number 18. Barcena. Tuloy-tuloy. Floater off the glass. Barcena. Barcena. Biglang tumukulang 3. Bam! Barcena again. 3. And Ugaddan. Pass to Milan. Gama. Gama gulo. Milan to Ugaddan. Ugaddan, di dribble dito. Atake.